Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have something special for you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So let's start this video. So as I am saying, today I do have two special casting, which is part of Ultra Hots. Actually, it is a premium, or you can say semi-premium model of Hot Wheels, and it is actually a nostalgic things of Hot Wheels. They have released this Ultra Hot Wheels. They used to release this Ultra Hot Wheels way back. Right. Currently, they have started again, and as you can see here, the card art is different than normal mainlines, and also the cars are a little different. So today I am going to review these two Ultra Hots with you guys. So let's start the video. So today we have two Ultra Hots here. One is part of 6 out of 8 and one is 7 out of 8. So the first one is here, the 85 Honda City Turbo. As you can see here, this is the model of the diecast, and this is part of the this 8 diecast. One is 84 Dodge 330, 71 Dustin 510, Nissan Skyline H20G, 78 Porsche, and Toyota Aris. And here is the sixth one, 85 Honda City Turbo, and other two are also 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock and custom Volkswagen Beetle. So as you can see here, the card art is different than the other main lines, and yes, it is Ultra Hots because the card color, as you can see here, it is a Spectra Flame paint, and the red is looking very good, and the wheels are different than other wheels also. It is actually the premium Ultra Hots special rims here, and as you can see here, the logo of the Hot Wheels is here also, but it is looking a little funny that they have just designed that chassis only the exhaust here and obviously the exhaust is plastic, but a few other Ultra Hots are also made in both chassis and the body is metal, but in this Turbo City Honda, it is half chassis is metal plastic and the metal body is metal. Okay, so as you can see here, the logo of the Honda is also here. Let me zoom. I hope you guys are able to the logo of Honda is here, and also the front lights are here, you can see here, and the special thing is the back light and front light both are painted here. This is what makes Ultra Hots different than other main lines. And yes, the price is a little higher. It is $299. I brought at MRP also. So here, if you want me to rate this Ultra Hot, I will rate it 8.5 out of 10. And if you have a little budget higher, I will always suggest you to go with $299 instead of $179, because the Spectra Flame color you will get, the finishing and the extra the special rims, everything is greater. So I will suggest you, if you guys want to buy this one, you can buy it, and $299 is, I guess, totally worthy for it instead of $179. So yes, as here I am rating this car around 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so now today another Ultra Hot Wheels which we have Toyota Starlet KP61. Okay, so this is my favorite Ultra Hots. Okay, between these two, as you can see here, the rating I will give it is 9.2. It is part of 2025's Ultra Hot. The previous one is part of 2024, and this one is part of 2025. Okay, so as you can see here, it is part of, it is 7 out of 8, and it is part of 70 Ford Escort RS, Volkswagen T1 GTR, 83 Mazda Savannah, 88 Honda CRX, Porsche 356 Outlaw, 86 Pontiac QT, and this is the 7th one, 81 Toyota Starlet KP61, and the 8th one is 69 Coco Corvette. So the orange Spectra Flame is looking very great, and the rims are also special of the Ultra Hot Wheels, and the chassis is beautifully designed, which is missed in previous one, which I have just shown you. The headlight is also there, and the backlight is also very goodly painted here. The red and orange color is, I think, visible. Here, let me zoom it. I think you guys able to see it now. The blue, red and the orange color is looking great. And the Hot Wheels logo is also there. Here is the logo of the Toyota is there. So I will rate this car 9.2 out of 10, because this is a very rare car and very few you will able to see. So I will suggest you, if you are guys able to see it anywhere in the local shop or anything here, you can buy it. Some around, if anyone asking you extra, I will suggest you not to go. But if they are asking MRP, you should definitely collect this, as it is a very rare one and you will not able to see much, because Hot Wheels are not making this die perfectly. Only the Toyota they are making very less, so it will be impact it in future you will need, the collectible value will be increased. So because of that reason, I am suggesting you guys, if you are seeing anywhere this one, please buy it. And the Toyota and the Honda Turbo is also good. So overall, this two diecast are one of very favorites of mine. So by doing this, I am wrapping up my video. Please, if you guys are like this video, please subscribe my channel also, and put a comment and let me know also what you guys are thinking about this two diecast. Stay safe. Wrap up.